After 2 months, when the flight operation for domestic flights were shut across the country, finally the flight operations are restarting, giving a huge respite to a lot of people who are stranded across the country, as it has given them a chance to reach back to their home. And this is a major relief for all those people who have been wanting to go back but were unable to in these circumstances. We are going to Mumbai, we'll take the flight to Mumbai and we'll show you what is the new normal for the flight operation for the domestic flights in India.
ऑनलाइन टिकट्स अवेलेबिलिटी थी, हमने टिकट तो बुक कर ली, बट यहाँ पे आके जब देख रहे हैं तो रांची के लिए कोई कंफर्म फ्लाइट ही नहीं है। उन्होंने कहा है कि एयर इंडिया की जो फ्लाइट है वो कैंसिल हो चुकी है।
Amid the entire coronavirus outbreak, several changes have been made to our lives. One of the most important, one of the most crucial changes that have been made by the government is changes in the flights. And after being grounded for approximately 2 months, finally the domestic flights will today fly. Passengers can take their flight and go wherever they have been wanting to in this entire period when the flight operations were suspended for domestic flights. A lot of guidelines have been issued by the government that include social distancing, proper sanitization of the passengers, and this is an example how social distancing will be maintained at least at the airport premises. Then later you have to go to this kind of a kiosk which has now been set up outside the airport, and you can directly walk to this kind of a kiosk. You can directly type down your PNR number and a hard copy of your boarding pass will come out of this machine. You can also just get your soft copy scanned here and the hard copy will again come. Apart from this, you have to get into this queue and you have to get your luggage, your baggage sanitized in this baggage sanitizing zone. That is very, very crucial before you enter the airport, and this is going to be the new normal, and this is all before getting your security checks done, and after which when you enter the airport, an entire guideline that has been issued and a proper standard operating procedures have been laid out which will define the future air travel, and this will be the new normal for the flight operations in India. After getting the hard copy of your e-pass, you have to get in a queue to reach this area which is called as baggage sanitizing zone, where you have to place all of your baggage which will then go inside this machine, and this machine will sanitize all of your baggages and all of the belongings that you have. That is very, very crucial as far as the airport operations are concerned for the future journey via air. At the airport security check, there is a shield that has been, a glass shield that has been set up by the airport authorities so that the CISF personnel, the security personnel who are checking the boarding passes and the passengers keep a safe distance, and there is no person-to-person contact while this entire procedure is going on. While entering the airport, two guidelines are very essential. One is thermal screening, and second is showing your Arogya Setu app that has to be installed on your cell phone. So we are here at the entrance of the airport, and we will show the security personnel our Arogya Setu app, and he will be thermal screening me like he is doing right now. So this is the entire procedure of getting inside an airport. As the domestic flight operation starts from today, the shops inside the airport premises have also started their business, hoping to attract some of the passengers that will be traveling today onwards, and this will also be a start to the business that has been shut ever since the lockdown started and the domestic flights stopped their operations. A lot of people are taking a lot of precautions while they are traveling from one state to another as the flights have started to operate. Some people are wearing their masks, some people are wearing masks, gloves and shades, but we have also passengers who do not want to leave any stone unturned as far as their security, their health is concerned, and they are in full personal protective equipment while traveling. I have with me one such passenger who is in his PPE suit while traveling in this aeroplane. Sir, what's your name? Can I ask?
My name is Shubhankar.
Shubhankar. Okay, Shubhankar. So you're traveling from Delhi to Mumbai. Where do you stay?
I stay in Mumbai.
You stay in Mumbai. So for how long were you in Delhi?
for 2 months. For 2 months I was stranded in Delhi.
Oh, you were stranded. So can you in brief tell us what exactly happened? Why did you go there? I mean, how all of it was very sudden. So how were you stranded?
Basically I went to meet my grandfather there, and suddenly the lockdown was announced, and then I was stranded there. I had booked my ticket
We were planning to postpone it till 31st, then 15th, then 4th, but it wasn't. There was no scope for the flight to move. Finally, when it took off today, so I booked my ticket today, and then I am happy that I'm going back home now.
Right. You are in this full attire, and it's very. We have heard the stories that it's very hot when you wear a PPE kit. So you didn't want to definitely leave any stone unturned as far as your safety is concerned. So what was this entire idea?
So basically, as we know that our safety is in our hand,
Right.
so that is the main goal which I have, and nothing else. So I just wanted to be safe while traveling, as I was not sure what would be the protocols, how would be the social distancing. So yeah, it is a bit suffocating inside, but ठीक है, करना पड़ता है.
So as the flight from Delhi to Mumbai has finally landed in the maximum city, I have with me the captain of the flight which has flown us from Delhi to Mumbai. Sir, after 2 months domestic flights have started. How do you see this development?
How do you feel
The development, I mean the entire journey, a lot of people have been waiting for this moment to come out of the places where they're stranded and reach their homes.
It is actually very important. This was anyways called for, but the government of India has also taken this step very strategically. They have opened only a certain number of flights, so all the different states in which we are operating, they can prepare for domestic arrival for passengers who are coming from different states. So as of now only, I think you are aware, 1/3 of the operations have been approved,
Right.
and different states have also set limitations on the number of arrivals and departures, like Mumbai also. So slowly and incrementally it will be increased, the operations will increase,
Right.
and hopefully aviation industry will come back to its previous glory.
Just one thing, as far when you fly domestic aircraft, you have seen a period of 2 months where people were not able to fly. So what were you doing? What was it like?
For us,
Yes.
so like for SpiceJet specifically, we have our cargo operations.
Right.
So most of our pilots, including me, we are cargo aircraft certified. So we were doing the cargo flights regularly,
Right.
once in a week or something like that. And we were flying and taking essential goods and life-saving drugs to within India and even outside.
Parmita, how different is it flying after the lockdown?
I think we have flown after 60 days
Right.
because it stopped on 25th of March and we again flown on 25th of May. So it was different because we were wearing PPE kit. We had to sanitize everything, like the way I was using aircraft phone. Even then also I was sanitizing it every time I was using it. So we were wearing masks and it was literally it was suffocating. But however, it was very safe from our end. We felt very safe after wearing all those things, and that's how we are maintaining after. And it was really nice experience because whatever announcement I was doing, passengers were following.
From the national capital to the financial capital, we have finally completed our journey and are right now at the Mumbai airport. This was the first flight from Delhi to Mumbai, and all the passengers who have landed here are being thermal screened at the airport before they step out and are being home quarantined for 14 days. This is something which will be seen at the airports for the nearby future, and this is the new normal amid this pandemic. A lot of protocols, a lot of guidelines have been put in place, but they all have been for the safety of the passengers and for their well-being only.